playlist is very important for all of us YouTubers, since all of us want some views or more views on our videos. Then if you want to learn these new discoveries, hello folks, welcome to our another adventure of sharing this idea that I have just discovered today. And this is all about how to fix your YouTube video shorts and whatsoever you uploaded here in the YouTube channel of yours or of mine. And then with that, you can hit views from your YouTube channel from this playlist. Well, this playlist is very important for all of us YouTubers, since all of us want some views or more views on our videos. Then if you want to learn these new discoveries from mine just a while ago, so without further ado, let's go ahead on my phone so I could show you how I did it. Grab your phone and follow the steps so you will know how to do this. And let's go. As you see, I've got my phone here in front of me, and let's open it up. After that, let's head on to the YouTube app. Go to You, and here click the playlist. Then next, you're gonna have to click the third one. And this is all in here in this slot for sale playlist. There's a lot of different other videos that I wanted to fix and compress it in one video or one playlist, which I wanted it to belong. Three dots here, as you can see, these three dots. Click the three dots, and then next thing you do is to save to playlist. What I did was to save it almost in all of my playlists, so that's why it's scattered everywhere. Where I want it to belong is in this area here at the adventure spot, because we were in the Tejero Highland Resort this time, so I want it to be on the adventure spot. Okay, so I click the adventure spot and uncheck all the others, and after unchecking the others, hit the done icon. Okay, so let's go out of this one here, and now it's here. Take a look at this adventure spot okay, here it now belongs in here. I check all of the playlist, which is very wrong. For all the YouTubers out there who's watching this one, you really have to pay attention of your playlist and don't scatter it all on your videos or of your video shorts and whatsoever videos you made. Just make sure that you put it in one specific area, so that way when your viewers and your subscribers want to see one of your playlists, then they can watch it in one compressed album. So that's what we can call, or what we can compare the playlist in reality, like an album. They can watch it all. So that's all. Then you're gonna have to keep repeating the same thing that you've learned. Go back again to this here, or whichever playlist you want to go, and then hit this one and save to playlist. Choose which playlist you want it to belong, and check all those blue marks that you checked, and just leave one area or one name of your playlist where you want it to stay. Like for example, in this one, the Taste of Philippines, and hit done, and do the same thing to the other. Here, this one, Tejero Highland. Let's go Tejero Highland. Let's go to uncheck all this blue checked here and here and here and here, so it's not going to spread up to all of your to all of your playlist album. After that, checking the adventure spot and click done, and repeat it all the way until you finish on your unchecking and checking, and fix your name of your playlist here. Like this one, you can also edit that in here. You can edit it all here like that, or you can edit it here as well like that. What's the name of it? You can edit it accordingly to what name you want it to be. If you want to learn more of my YouTube journey, you may also drop down comment below in the comment section, where you can ask me about something, where I could also give you some information about what I've learned in doing the YouTube journey that I have. And that's what I discover on my issue fixing my videos and my playlist. So I didn't see this one to the other YouTubers who are doing the tutorial. So I just discover it and letting you know and showing to you. If you're facing the same problem as mine, then this video is good for you to learn from this. Comment down below if you learned from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel with the notification on, so that way in my next video you're going to learn and you're going to go with me as I dive into this YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys, and we'll see you again next time. See you. Bye for now.